everyone and welcome. Today, I'm checking out the Roland TD-02KV electronic drum set. This kit is aimed at beginners and returning drummers, and honestly, Roland has packed a lot of punch into a compact package. First impressions? It's sleek, it's sturdy, and it doesn't scream entry-level, which is a huge plus. Now, Roland has been in the V-drums game for a long time, and that experience really shows here. The TD-02 module is the brains of the operation, and it's loaded with 16 preset kits. These aren't just throwaway sounds either. They're inspired by Roland's higher-end V-drums, so you're getting quality right out of the box. From rock and pop to electronic and jazz, there's a good variety to explore. And the sounds themselves? Authentic and expressive, just what you'd expect from Roland. The kit itself is compact, which is perfect for smaller spaces. Don't let the size fool you though. It feels solid and well-built. The pads are responsive and have a natural feel, making the transition from acoustic drums pretty smooth. I was particularly impressed with the hi-hat. It's surprisingly nuanced for a kit in this price range. You get a decent range of dynamics, allowing for some expressive playing. One thing I really appreciate is the built-in coach function. It's like having a virtual drum teacher right there with you. There are exercises for timing, accuracy, and overall technique, which is fantastic for beginners. It's a fun and engaging way to improve your skills and track your progress. Plus, if you want to jam along to your own music, you can add wireless audio and MIDI streaming with the optional Boss Bluetooth adapter. Super convenient. Now, it's important to note that the throne and drumsticks aren't included. Roland recommends the DAP 2X to complete the kit, so factor that into your budget. It's a bit of a bummer they're not included, but it's pretty standard for electronic drum sets in this price range. So, who is this kit for? I'd say it's perfect for beginners who are serious about learning drums. It's also a great option for returning drummers who want a compact and convenient practice kit. The TD-02KV offers excellent value for money, delivering high-quality sounds and features in a compact and affordable package. It's not going to replace a high-end acoustic kit, but for practice, learning, and even some light recording, it's a fantastic option. If you're in the market for an electronic drum set, definitely check this one out. It's a solid piece of kit from a trusted brand. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.